the core values of the European Union is everyone's freedom of thought, of expression, of religion. And we need to underline the importance today, because we see that in every survey done in the world, the freedom measures are decreasing in numbers, even in European member states. So we really need to underline that importance and to keep it vivid. And if we fail on that, we will fail on everything, because this is the basic pillars upon which the internal market was founded, harmonized laws and etc. But the fundament has to be solid.
I think we have to be very, very critical towards any kind of initiative and activities on the national level or on the European level against any kind of basic rights and fundamental rights. And the religious rights are part of the fundamental rights. It's every person's own decision what kind of religious orientation he or she wants to have. And it's part of the basic freedoms. This is a continent who had so many fights for basic freedoms that we cannot endanger it again. And therefore, again, in this parliament now, in the future parliament, our group and hopefully other groups as well will be very, very strong on these issues, because it's not only about specific legislation, it's also about values and about the promotion of these basic values.
I find that maybe anywhere in the world, if there are any measures to be taken under any political necessity, such as health or whatever, one thing must be the very clear one. Stop making it a weapon for people who follow totally different goals. So I cannot consider about the legitimacy of any measure. I'm not in a position to clarify that. But to use it or misuse it as a tool against people, this must be stopped from the very first stage onwards. And so one must immediately put this topic together with others as to be combated even by our political level, to reach normal and civilized society discussion in a mutual benefit for all. And I think there can be reached solutions, I'm very sure, which meet all groups' necessities. And one can only say that blaming and shaming is no measure in our society, as I'm sure we have to realize.